Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. How to conduct a video trip inspection. A quick guide. A video trip inspection is essential for catching vehicle issues early, ensuring safety, and preventing costly repairs. Conducting this inspection after each trip ensures your vehicle is in good condition and ready for future use. What is a video trip inspection? A video trip inspection is a thorough check of the vehicle's condition after a trip. It ensures any damage or mechanical issues that may have developed during the drive are identified and addressed before they cause serious problems. Who should perform a video trip inspection? The driver is responsible for conducting the inspection, as they're most familiar with how the vehicle performed during the trip. In larger fleets, mechanics may help with further inspections, but the driver typically handles identifying and reporting issues. How is it different from a pre-trip inspection? A pre-trip inspection ensures the vehicle is ready for the journey, while a video trip inspection evaluates any wear or damage that occurred during the trip. Both inspections are necessary for ensuring vehicle safety. Legal and safety requirements. Drivers must comply with FMCSR regulations by documenting their findings in a driver vehicle inspection report, DVIR. This documentation helps ensure safety and reduces liability in case of an accident. Step-by-step guide. Start by inspecting the exterior of the vehicle. Check the tires for damage or low inflation, test all lights, and look for any fluid leaks or body damage. Move inside the vehicle next, checking the dashboard lights, controls, and seats. Make sure the cabin is clean and the HVAC system works. Lastly, test critical systems such as the brakes, engine, hydraulic systems, and steering. Pay attention to any unusual noises or issues with these systems. After the inspection, document any findings thoroughly, using a standard report form like the DVIR. If any issues are found, address them immediately to prevent further complications. Common mistakes to avoid neglecting minor repairs, as small issues can grow into larger problems. Also, always document your findings clearly and thoroughly. Skipping this step can lead to trouble later. Don't rush through the inspection either. Take your time to ensure a complete and accurate check. Best practices to make inspections more effective. Use a checklist to ensure all areas are covered and avoid missing important steps. If you identify issues that you can't resolve yourself, involve a maintenance team. Additionally, technology such as mobile apps and fleet management software can streamline the inspection process, helping you stay organized and keep track of any ongoing issues. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.